In day 2 of special right triangles, we are going to see the last of the 6 common families. So in this one, we're going to do our tic-tac-toe board again. Here we have the 45, 45, 90 right triangle. And if it's isosceles, we know if the angles are congruent, then these sides are congruent. So we're going to call each of those x. And if we have x squared plus x squared, that would equal the hypotenuse squared. So 2x squared equals the hypotenuse squared, which means x square root of 2 is equal to the hypotenuse. So the ratio that you will have in every 45, 45, 90 right triangle is x, x, x root 2. So anytime you have a 45, 45, 90, that's the ratio that you need. So this is the table or the tic-tac-toe board that you'll set up for each of those problems. In this section, however, they do a mixed review, which means not only will you see the 30, 60, 90 that we did yesterday, x, x root 3, 2x, you have the 45, 45, 90, x, x, x root 2. Now you have the 4 Pythagorean triples, 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, and 8, 15, 17. For this example, we're given a square. Now we know that all sides of a square are congruent and that there's a right angle there. If these sides are congruent, that means these angles are congruent, and that's 9 as well. So here we are with our 45, 45, 90 in the ratio x, x, x root 2, and the side that they give us is across from 45 degrees, so I can put the 9 in there, which makes that 9, and that's 9 root 2. I did briefly fail to mention that that's our equation. This one is just a little more different. We have the 45, 45, 90 again, with x, x, x root 2. But here, the given side is across from the 90-degree angle, so we have to put the 4 there, across from the 90, and then this is our equation. So if x root 2 equals 4, we need to divide both sides by the square root of 2, then rationalize that denominator. So now we have x equals 4 over 2 times the square root of 2, and that reduces, so we have x is 2 root 2.